Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. If you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may notice that there are a bunch of different projects in here, including some games. Now, these games have some different variations that you can actually do, some different extensions that show you how to do some unique stuff. Like, instead of a food catcher with one player, you can make a two-player version. And then this one even has some challenges where it makes it so that these objects that you're supposed to catch actually blend in with the backdrop, which is a pretty neat idea. But I want to show you another neat idea. This is called Keep It In 2, and it is by Dark Maven. Now, it's kind of like Pong, so we press a green flag, except the ball is going to move in some kind of a direction, and you have to click on one of the tiles to make it bounce. Otherwise, it's going to fall onto the edge, and then you lose basically a life for your game. Interesting. So now you'll notice that the tiles actually disappear after a little while. So if I click on these, they go away like that. And then if you get to the point where you run out of lives, then tells you what your score is, and then it is game over. So this I thought was a really neat idea. Now, it also has another variation here, kind of like the projects on bootuppd.org, where it's actually got multiple balls that will be moving while you are playing through this particular game, which is much more difficult. So I thought this was a really neat idea. If you want to create something like this, make sure you go to bootuppd.org so you can create a similar project. And if you got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.